Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My full name is Arjanudiktyo Febrianto, NPM D1A250032.
Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about part of speech by using vocabulary from computer and technology world. Understanding parts of speech is important because it helps us use words correctly, especially when explaining technical concepts in English. So, step by step, we will look at each part of speech and understand the meaning and function of the words. Let's begin with the first category, which is nouns. To begin with, nouns are words that name objects, systems, or ideas. In the context of computers, one important noun is server. A server refers to a powerful computer that provides service or data to other computers on a network. Next, we have the word application. An application is software program designed to help users perform specific tasks, such as writing documents or editing images. After that, the word processor plays a crucial role in computing. A processor is the main component that executes instructions and controls how a computer works. In addition, we have firewall, which relates to security. A firewall is a system that controls network traffic to protect data from unauthorized access. Finally, the word algorithm refers to logic and problem solving. An algorithm is a step-by-step set of instructions used to solve a specific problem. Overall, these nouns represent core elements of modern computing systems. After understanding nouns, we now move on to pronouns. Pronouns are used to replace nouns so that sentences do not sound repetitive. For example, it is used to show ownership related to a system or device. Meanwhile, those refer to specific file or system mentioned earlier. Similarly, this points to tools or features that are currently being discussed. On the other hand, each emphasizes every single component individually. Lastly, who is used to refer to a person responsible for managing or using a system. In general, pronouns help make technical explanations smoother and clearer. Now, let's move on to verbs, which describe actions or processes. To start with, configure means setting up software or hardware settings. Next, encrypt refers to protecting data by converting it into secure code. After that, upload is the action of sending data from a local device to a server. Similarly, debug focuses on finding and fixing error in a program. Finally, backup means creating a copy of data to prevent loss. Overall, this verb describes common actions performed when working with computers. While verbs describe action, adjectives describe qualities or characteristics. For example, encrypt describes data that is protected using security method. In addition, scalable prefer system that can grow as user or data increase. Next, wireless describe technology that works without physical cables. Meanwhile, a cloud-based refers to systems that store and access through the internet. Lastly, optimized describes software or systems that have been improved for better performance. These objectives help us explain how technology functions and behaves. In addition to adjectives, we also use adverbs to explain how action happen. For instance, remotely means an action is done from a different location. Similarly, instantly describes something that happened without delay. Next, safely emphasizes action done without risk. Meanwhile, continuously refers to processes that run without stopping. Finally, accurately means an action is performed with correct results. Adverbs with extra detail to action and in technical explanations. Now let's look at prepositions, which show relationship between elements. For example, across describes data shared across multiple systems. Next, into refers to file being saved into storage. Meanwhile, from shows the origin of data, such as data taken from a server. Similarly, along describes data moving along a network path. Lastly, under refers to system operating under certain rules of policies. Precision help explain flow, direction, and structure in computing. After that, we have conjunctions, which connect ideas and processes. For example, while shows action happen at the same time. In contrast, although introduce a difference between conditions. Next, unless present a condition that must be met. Meanwhile, so shows results or consequences. Finally, when indicates the timing of an event. Conjunctions are especially important in logic programming and explanations. Finally, let's talk about interjections. Interjections express feelings or reactions. For example, "Oh, so that a problem has occurred." Meanwhile, nice expresses satisfaction with a result. In more serious situations, yikes show shocks. On the positive side, great indicates approval. Lastly, oh expresses suddenly understand. These words make communication more natural and human. To conclude, understanding parts of speech help us communicate clearly and effectively, especially in the world of computers and technology. By combining English grammar with computer vocabulary, we can explain technical ideas with confidence. Thank you for watching. Bye.